Students, this is our second lecture of multivariate analysis this week. Here I present an example number 2 of factor analysis. Listen attentively. The eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the covariance matrix, variance covariance matrix sigma is equal to, is given here. Sigma is equal to 1, 0.63, 0.45, 1, 0.331. Where lambda 1 is equal to 1.96, lambda 2 is equal to 0.68, lambda 3 is equal to 0.36. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 are given here. These are the eigenvectors. First eigen corresponding to the eigenvalues lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Beta 1 is equal to 0.625, 0.593, 0.563. Beta 2 is equal to minus 0.219, minus 0.491, 0.843, 0.794, minus 0.638, minus 0.177. Assume n is equal to one factor model. Calculate the one factor model means कि it's a problem of one factor. Calculate the loading matrix capital lambda and matrix of the specific variance psi using principal component solution method. But second part of this problem is what proportions of the total population varies explained by the first common factor. Now the solution is also shared here. By the principal component method for m is equal to 1, we have lambda, capital lambda into capital lambda transpose is equal to lambda 1 under root into beta 1 into lambda 2 under root into beta 1 transpose, where lambda 1 is a eigenvalue. It is a constant, so it is not a metric, be a column vector or row vector. So lambda 1 under root into lambda 2 under root transpose may be written as lambda 1, and beta 1 into beta 1 transpose. Replacing the respective values, after replacing the values and multiplying the column and row vector, and then after obtaining the matrix multiplying 1.96, we obtain this matrix 0.766, 0.727, 0.694 and 0.690, 0.69, 0.659, 0.629. As variable number of variables are p is equal to 3 and k is equal to 1, therefore capital lambda into capital lambda transpose is equal to lambda 1 1, lambda 2 1, lambda 3 1 into lambda 1 1, lambda 1 2, lambda 1 3. It will become this: lambda 1 1 is square, lambda 1 1, lambda 2 1, lambda 1 1, lambda 3 1, lambda 2 1, lambda 2 1 3 1, lambda 3 1 square. Now by comparing this matrix with above matrix, capital lambda into lambda transpose, that one, we have this. The corresponding values are, after solving above, comparing and above two matrix and solving them, we obtain lambda 1 1 is equal to 0.88, lambda 2 1 is equal to 0.83, lambda 3 1 is equal to 0.79. So the left loading matrix is capital lambda transpose is equal to 0.88, 0.83, 0.79. Sigma is equal to this. From here we obtain psi 1 is equal to 0.234, and psi 2 0.310, psi 3 is equal to 0.37. So specific matrix is psi is equal to psi 1 0 0, psi 2 0, psi 3, replacing the respective values. Now the proportion of variation explained by first factor is given as lambda 1 divided by p. P is the number of variables. Lambda 1 is equal to 1.94, 1.94 divided by 365.33. Therefore the variation explained by first common factor is equal to 65.33%. try to solve the values. The detail is not given here, as we have obtained the value of lambda 1 1, lambda 2 1, lambda 3 1. Similarly, psi 1, psi 2, psi 3. Now come on, example number 3. Consider the previous example and calculate the communalities. Also calculate the percentage of variation explained by common factors and that by specific factors. Hence, in previous example, as lambda 1 is equal to 0.88, lambda 2 1 is equal to 0.83, lambda 3 1 is equal to 0.79. Obtain the square of these values. These are here: lambda 1 1 square, lambda 2 1 square, lambda 3 1 square. Total communality is lambda is equal to lambda 1 1 square plus lambda 2 1 square plus lambda 3 1 square. After adding above terms, we obtain 2.083. And total variance explained by this variance covariance matrix is the sum of the diagonal elements. Sum of the diagonal element, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now, proportion of the total variation of x explained by the common factor is equal to lambda over trace of sigma. Lambda is equal to the sum of the lambda 1 1, lambda 2 1, lambda 3 1 is equal to 2.083 divided by 3 is equal to 69.5. The proportion of total variation of x explained by the specific factors is sum of I varies from 1 to p psi divided by trace of sigma. Sum of I varies from 1 to p psi is equal to 0.234 plus 0.310, 0.371 divided by 3 is equal to 30.5. So the proportion of total variation of x explained by the specific factor is equal to 30.5. and the proportion of total variation of x explained by the common factors is equal to 69.5.